Hello everyone and welcome back to Studio 64, and today I'm trying a kind of different style of video. So I have done stuff like this before because I did the 10 ways to customize your clones and stuff, but this time I'm going to try speaking in this video. So yeah, as the title says, we're going over ways how to upgrade your Sith Trooper battle pack. Because a lot of the time I make tutorials about custom clones and stuff in the Mandalorian, although a lot of you guys seem to not have enough clones to make that sort of stuff. But I figured the Sith Trooper battle pack is recent and it's quite cheap, so I guess a lot of you guys will have that. So let's just get started then. So first of all, we have the regular figures. So they're just the normal Sith Troopers, if I can just grab one. But the problem is they come with stud shooters, so just simply give them better guns. Moving on from that, so I start editing or like customizing the individual figures. So just starting off with some regular Lego stuff. So we just improved this officer, giving him a little blaster pistol. It's actually I think it's called the CR2 from Battlefront 2. It's from the assault class, but I just gave it to the officer because it's like a nice small pistol. And just a Mandalorian battle pack, black cape, and I just changed out the head, because if you have multiples of these guys, then they all have the same face. It's kind of odd. Moving on, we have some of my custom cape designs, and just a quick custom blaster with a red lightsaber hilt piece and a regular assault blaster. So this was actually the one I made for the 10-minute cape in my 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds cape video. And then this is the cape I made in the Incinerator Trooper tutorial. So yeah, this is just quite cool, heavy. It's inspired by the regular First Order Heavy Trooper, because they're basically the same, just in red. So I think that came out pretty well. And now moving on to some more advanced customizing, so like gluing and painting and stuff. So we have a commander for the aerial trooper. So he has a custom jetpack. It's kind of just a plain jetpack, but I like that. And then I didn't make this. Totally forgot what they're called. Karma. I didn't make this one, but I just painted onto it, and then I made the custom pauldron, and then just glued and painted it already. If you want to find out how to make these sort of guys, have a look at my ARC Trooper tutorial, because that's basically the same thing, just with a Sith Trooper. And then another aerial, but this time I've converted him into kind of a guard type trooper. So this is kind of inspired by the Praetorian Guard, but yeah, it's kind of my own design really. And it actually uses a regular Sith Trooper body, but because I'm kind of showing how to upgrade the whole Sith Trooper battle pack, I decided to go with the aerial helmet, just to show like you got the two aerial troopers. But the actual helmet, which I just grabbed, looks like this. So that guy looks really cool in my opinion. I think it's the same torso pattern as the aerial. I actually just followed the printing on the Sith Trooper to make that. But I think this guy turned out really cool. Just a custom staff, again kind of inspired by Praetorian Guards, but also my own design. So I think that guy came out really cool. So moving on, we now have an alternative build for the battle pack build. So this is a trooper like dropship, gunship speeder. I don't know if it flies. It's got the same sort of design on the bottom as a speeder. But I've used pretty much every brick in the battle pack except for like obviously the spare studs and the stud shooter, and also the blue Technic pieces, because I just couldn't find anywhere to put them in, so there's no point. But it uses every other brick apart from that. So there's 4 seats for the actual troopers, which is one more than you actually need for what comes in the battle pack. And then 1 seat for the pilot, which in this case is just the officer. And I think, yeah, that turned out pretty well. If you want to see a tutorial on this, comment down below. I can always make that an unlisted video. So guys, that about wraps up for this video. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, comment down below if you like this new style of sort of a tutorial. kind of tutorial. But yeah, if you guys like this video, then just tell me. So thanks for watching.